When precision and performance and purity matter most, surface integrity is everything. That's where citric acid passivation comes in. What is passivation? Passivation is a chemical process that removes free iron and other surface contaminants from stainless steel, restoring the material's ability to naturally resist corrosion. At New England Electropolishing, we specialize in the passivation of stainless steel with citric acid, a process that's both effective and environmentally responsible. Why citric acid instead of nitric acid? For decades, nitric acid was the industry standard for passivation, but it comes with major drawbacks. It's hazardous, toxic, and difficult to dispose of safely. Citric acid offers a smarter solution. It's non-toxic, biodegradable, and safer to handle without sacrificing performance. At New England Electropolishing, our proprietary citric acid passivation process meets or exceeds ASTM's A967 standards, delivering consistent and reliable results on even the most critical parts. The benefits of citric acid passivation. Our process removes free iron and impurities, promotes formation of a protective chromium oxide layer, enhances corrosion resistance, leaves no toxic residues, is safe for delicate or electropolished surfaces. Whether you're treating surgical tools, aerospace parts, or sensitive sensors, citric acid passivation is the clean, modern choice. How citric acid passivation process works. Our citric acid passivation process begins with a thorough cleaning to remove oils, greases, and particulates. The parts are then submerged in a citric acid solution, which selectively removes free iron from the surface. After rinsing and drying, the result is a clean, passive surface with enhanced corrosion resistance, ready for the most demanding applications. Real-world applications. From mission-critical aerospace components to life-saving medical implants, citric acid passivation plays a vital role in industries where failure isn't an option. It's ideal for medical devices, aerospace and defense hardware, food processing equipment, underwater load cells and torque sensors. Why New England Electropolishing? At New England Electropolishing, we've helped companies across the medical, aerospace, and industrial sectors improve surface integrity and meet the most demanding standards. If you're ready to make the switch to a safer, smarter, and more sustainable passivation process, get in touch.